Welcome to Technology Zone, the place where you get the latest updates on the most exciting vehicles and innovations around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you never miss out on amazing content. Today, we are going to talk about the stunning 2025 Land Rover Defender, a vehicle that takes luxury, power, and off-road capability to a whole new level. So let's dive right into it. The 2025 Land Rover Defender is not just an SUV, it's a perfect blend of rugged performance and refined luxury. The first thing you notice is its bold and muscular design. With its signature boxy shape, the new Defender gets an updated front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and more aerodynamic lines that give it a modern yet aggressive look. The new alloy wheels and fresh color options make sure that this SUV stands out wherever it goes, whether you are driving in the city or exploring the wild. Under the hood, the 2025 Defender offers powerful engine options. You can choose between a turbocharged inline-6 and a V8 engine, both delivering impressive horsepower and torque. For those who care about the environment, Land Rover has also introduced a plug-in hybrid variant that offers strong performance with better fuel efficiency. The advanced all-wheel drive system and terrain response technology ensure that you can conquer any landscape, from rocky mountains to deep snow, with ease and confidence. Step inside, and you are welcomed into a world of comfort and high-tech features. The cabin of the 2025 Defender is crafted with premium materials like leather, wood, and metal accents. The spacious interior comfortably seats up to 7 passengers, making it ideal for family trips or adventure getaways. The new model comes with an upgraded Pivi Pro infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system that turns every drive into an enjoyable experience. Safety is also a top priority in the new Defender. It comes loaded with the latest driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Additionally, the Defender offers new off-road assist systems that automatically adjust vehicle settings based on the terrain, giving you total control on any surface. What makes the 2025 Land Rover Defender truly special is its versatility. Whether you are looking for a luxury family SUV or a tough off-roader, this vehicle delivers on all fronts. It's built to handle extreme adventures but also offers the comfort and technology that modern drivers expect. So, if you are thinking of buying an SUV that combines strength, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Land Rover Defender is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Zone for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next video.